Modern Workplace Tips, Quick How-To Demos. Hi, I am your host, Michael Giannotti. As always, this is brought to you by PowerPoint Recording, the easy way to capture ideas and processes as shareable video. And I'm making this in Microsoft PowerPoint. Excel PowerPoint, copy and paste. As always, any views, opinions, and/or demos in this video are purely the expressions of Michael Giannotti and not my employer. Demos are as is, use at your own risk. All right, so yesterday I was with a client and we were discussing a bunch of things about use of Office 365, and one of the things we talked about was full fidelity round tripping, how you could be in the rich client in Office, be co-authoring, open it up in Word or PowerPoint online, Excel online, in the mobile app, etc., and you would lose no formatting. And one of the users in the group raised his hand. He said, well, how can you do that if you guys can't even keep something looking the same when you copy and paste? And to that I asked, well, I'm not quite sure, what are you referring to? And the scenario he referred to was taking a chart or something from Excel, copying it and dropping it in, saying that it changed the colors, look, and feel. And in fact, if I was to come, I'm going to go ahead, I have a blank slide over here, and here I have a sample chart. And if I was to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and say Control-C to copy, and I come back to this particular PowerPoint, I said Control-V, boom, there it is. You'll notice it did in fact change the colors, and he's correct. That's because the default is to then pick up the look and feel of the destination source. So in this case, this PowerPoint has its own theme and colors, and it picked those up and used those. However, we're not restricted to this. So I'm going to go ahead and undo the paste. Instead, I'm going to bring my mouse cursor over here, and I'm going to right-click. Now, I assumed that everybody knew this, but when I right-click, notice it says Paste Options here. And if I begin to mouse over, it will actually show me what they are. So here's Use Destination Styles. Next, Keep Source Formatting, and it did that within the text box. Embed, there's the colors and everything looking the way I expect. Picture, in which case it becomes an image, or text only. So I can very quickly and easily come in, and then it's going to look and feel exactly as I intended by keeping that original source look and by doing that embed, and now I have a PowerPoint that I wanted. So it's quick, it's easy. When you're copying and pasting across Microsoft applications, remember your destination application, Word, PowerPoint, etc. If you have applied a theme or design to it, will have its own particular color palette. And to keep from having that issue, simply bring your mouse cursor, and instead of saying Control-V, right-click, and then mouse over the options for what you're looking for. Again, use destination, takes the look and feel colors from this particular PowerPoint theme. Keep source formatting, embed, picture, or text only. And in this case, I'm going to choose the embed. And when I do so, it's going to give me an exact look and feel just like we have here, right? So it's quick, it's easy. I had assumed everybody knew this, but user did not, so I'm passing that along. Go ahead, take advantage of the right-click actions within PowerPoint or Word, etc. When you're pasting, take advantage of right-click, then mouse over to choose what you think is appropriate for your pasting activity. So that's it. I mean, it's easy. Right-click, select the paste option, mouse over the different options there to get a preview of what it's going to look like. Select the one that works best for you so that you can have that one-to-one correspondence if desired, or you can elect to choose the destination theme. But it's quick and it's easy, and it works across your Office applications. I just want to thank you for joining me. You can follow me online. If you have questions, want to follow my other videos, Michael on the Go, my tips and tricks, you can find me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/in/Mike Giannotti, at Facebook at facebook.com/Michael Giannotti, on Twitter at twitter.com/ Giannotti. And finally, if you just want to see great, crazy pictures and stuff I post, you can find me on Instagram at instagram.com/mgiannotti. So that's it. I want to thank you for joining me for today's Modern Workplace Tips. This has been Michael Giannotti bidding you have a great day. Take care, and as always, ciao.